that is there. And you can see right here we have plenty of room to actually pack that with grease, which we're going to. It will get packed with grease prior to us closing everything up. So after the swing arm, we need to kind of get the braking system set up. So there's a brake rod that I've got to clean. I'll probably get that. I'll plate that as well. And we've already plated the brake spindle and the brake lever. So, well, the brake light lever. So stand by while I get going on that.